Hi, ma'am. Good day. I would like to introduce myself. I am Jason Mary. Yes, I am 40 years old, Philippines, and I am married, and I have three kids. I'm an ex-abroad for 2 years at Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. As a domestic helper, I do taking good care of kids, and I do household chores. And I would like to apply to your respective family, and I'm hoping that you'll give me a chance to serve your family as well. Um, I guarantee you, ma'am, that you can trust me 100%. Thank you and God bless.